Hello everyone, and it's an exciting day in the resin world because we now have a circle resin calculator, and this is going to be such an exciting thing because now we can calculate how much resin we need to use when we have a circle art piece. So here is my little circle, and this is an 8-inch round. And I will show the resin calculator. It's at Art Resin. I'll show that at the end of the film. So you just measure your circle, whatever size you're going to be using. This happens to be an 8-inch round. And I'm just going to push that to the side because I'm going to mix up my resin. Get all my stuff together, my alcohol, my resin. I'm putting that aside because I already poured it. I didn't think you wanted to watch me pour my resin slowly to make sure that I get everything exact. Because as you know, this is by volume, not by weight. So we want to make sure we get everything exact. So I'm pouring my one into the other, the hardener into the liquid resin there. And I'm making sure I get every little bit out because we're going to stir this up for 3 minutes, and it's got to be nice and stirred. We're going to go from the sides to the bottom and up and down and all over. And I'm not going to bore you with any of that. I'm just going to stop the tape, the video, and I will be doing that. I just want to show you that this bottom piece I'm working on I got from LTD Limited, and I'm not getting anything from them, but I do want to tell you it's so inexpensive. I think it's 16 by 23 is the piece, and you get 2 pieces, and it's it's $7.99. So here I am finishing up my stirring, and it needed 2 ounces, and I did put the tape, my frog tape, on the back because I did not want to get resin on the back of my round. And this did come out quite beautifully, I must say, this little ring, tree ring. So I'm pouring my resin now right in the middle. And as you know, Art Resin is self-leveling. So I'm pouring this on slowly, but what I will do is probably speed this up at the end when I get around to that. But right now, I'm just going to bore myself and watch myself slowly put the resin around. So I just want to know how you guys are doing today. I may decide to just leave this in there. Yesterday was my birthday. So this was my pandemic birthday this year. Although I have to say, my daughter spoiled me quite a few times. I got some boxes in the mail with food that I didn't have to cook, you know, from those home delivery places, because I keep complaining about all the cooking I'm doing these days. And my son also surprised me with he's gonna I'm gonna get a YouTube intro done, and he's gonna pay for that. So that's exciting. So pretty soon you'll be seeing my new YouTube intro. I'm going to go over to Fiverr. I don't know if you ever heard of them. I'm going to go hire somebody over there to take my logo and make a great YouTube intro with that. So that should be fun. And here we go, still moving that resin around, trying to get every nook and cranny because We don't want to leave any spaces here. We want to get it all. And I think I got it all. Luckily today John is, he's filming this for me. Thank you, dear. Sometimes we do need a little help. And this was one of those times I couldn't put it on my tripod. So he's behind me doing the filming. And I think he's kind of coming for a close-up here. I don't know how I didn't spill this resin on my lap, as I realized it later on. But I'm pointing out a few bubbles there, which I will be putting down. And I guess I'm going to pick up my torch. There we go. And I'm going to torch those bubbles out. And that brown piece on the bottom there, that's a silicone. I think it was. I think it's silicone. It's a silicone mat. And I got all my bubbles out, and that is perfect. And after this, I'm gonna give you that. It's artresin.com/circle, and I'll put that link underneath in the comments below. Thank you all for coming. Here's the calculator, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, my Instagram. Visit my Etsy shop. There's some great things in there right now. I also give a handmade card and an envelope to go with it. So have a great day and stay safe out there. Bye-bye.